Hi, welcome to Jobways e-learnings. This video is about how to create a tutor introduction video for Jobways e-learnings. The tutor has to give introduction about his experience and about the technology he teaches within 2 minutes. Tutor has to give his or her teaching experience like years of teaching experience he or she have, students and batches taught, number of students got placements by his or her teaching. Tutor has to provide technology information like about the technology for 1 minute, the scope and future of the technology having, what type of clients and which clients are using the technology, what are the tools and skills set technology having, what are the recent and updated versions of the technology, how fast and easily student can learn the technology. Just a moment, please watch this sample video from one of our tutor. You can create one of yours accordingly.
Hello everyone, welcome to Microsoft Power BI tutorial. I am Surya and I am going to teach you about an interesting and a fascinating data visualization tool that is Microsoft Power BI. We are going to answer all the questions right from what exactly is Power BI and what exactly we can achieve using Microsoft Power BI. So when it comes to my experience, I have around 4 years of experience working in the IT field, predominantly working on Microsoft Power BI and SQL Server. So when it comes to the training experience, I have taught around 15 batches till date, and there are around 150 students, and out of them 130 students are currently working on projects in multiple MNCs with Microsoft Power BI as their core technology. So if we discuss a bit about Microsoft Power BI as a technology and the future of the technology, yes. So if we consider any of the organization, whether it might be a smaller organization or a very large organization, so each and every organization has data. So as far as data is present, we need to visualize the data. So only if we visualize the data, we would be getting quick insights from the data, like what exactly is happening and how can they improve their organization using that data. So Microsoft Power BI is one of the top tools that is available for data visualization, and many of the clients, like some of the big names like HP, like Nestle, and many of the American health organizations, and like pharma, when it comes to pharma, like Medtronics and many other organizations are currently using Microsoft Power BI as their primary tool for data visualization. So the future of technology is very bright as far as data is present. Microsoft Power BI is present, and yes, so when it comes to the skill set, like what are all the technologies we need to learn to get a good hands-on on Power BI. So first thing is the Microsoft Power BI tool itself. So the Microsoft Power BI desktop and the service, these are two separate tools. So one is an offline tool and one is completely a cloud solution. So we need to just learn how to create reports in Microsoft Power BI and how to deploy those reports in Power BI service and share it with the concerned people. So, and having a little bit of idea on data modeling would also help us a bit. And when it comes to the versions, what is the latest version that Power BI is currently? It's the December update, because Power BI basically releases monthly updates. So the latest version that we are using is the December update, wherein it has included some advanced features as well. So the one more advantage of Microsoft Power BI is, as it is a Microsoft tool, it gets frequent updates, and also it is interconnected with all the other Microsoft tools that are present. Like if we consider the Microsoft Flow, or if we consider Microsoft Power Apps, each and everything are interconnected as their Microsoft tools. So that is also one of the key factors to use Microsoft Power BI. And if you ask me the question like whether it is fast or whether it is easy to learn, I would say it is yes, it is very easy to learn Power BI, because just having basic idea on data and what we need to do with the data is enough. So we can become masters in Power BI, but the only thing is we need to know what exactly we are doing with the data. So yeah, I'm looking forward to teach you all the people and get you people on the board, and stay happy, stay safe. Yeah.